Hey everyone, welcome back to my shop. Well, I talked to the wife and she said that these are too thick. She says gals like a thinner thing for their earrings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand them. They should sand pretty fast and get them quite a bit thinner. I'm not going to video any of it. It's just sanding them. So I will get back to you when I get that all done. Okay, I tried sanding those down and it would have taken me forever. So I'm going to use them for something else along the line somewhere. And I did these. I cut new ones. So I think those are going to go in and ask the wife, that thin enough? Yeah, I believe it is. I believe it is thin enough now. So that's what I'm going to do. Going to go in and talk to the wife. Alrighty, see you later. Hey everyone. What I'm doing today is I am polishing the parts to the pendant and earrings, but I am still trying to figure out what in the world I am going to do with it. I was going to try to put some black acrylic against the white, but it just didn't. It didn't look right, and it wouldn't be. I don't know. Just didn't look right. So I am in a quandary here of what to do. I've got some really teeny tiny gems that I might try to put in there, but I just don't know. I was so sure that black acrylic was going to look nice against the white, but it just did not. It looked fake. I'm sorry. I guess that's a good word for it. It just looked fake. Looked like something you would buy at what we used to call the 5 and 10 and give to the little girls to play with, for dress-up jewelry. So what I'm doing, I'm going to polish with the mag polish again, and I'll get everything set up so you can see what I'm doing. I'll do a little bit, but I'm not gonna sit here for the full length, and well, maybe not. I might, and just run it real fast on the video. So let me get everything set up and we'll get back at you. And this does a very nice job of shining everything up really nice. I just wish that I could get it to shine for you. I don't know if I can or not, but and to show the different variations of the polyester, it has kind of a marbling look to it. Alright, let's see what we got here. I know on some other things I've had to do it a couple times maybe to get all the little blemishes out, but it's pretty good, but I'm going to do her again. Yeah. Okay, that's getting better. Yeah. But I just noticed that I'm going to have to stop. The battery on my little polisher is dying. And that's the best thing I found for polishing. It's got just 2 speeds, low and high, and it's just so easy to work with. To me, it's easier than my big Dremel. So I'm gonna have to shut her down. And I tell you, I use so many buffing wheels that I look through Amazon. I hope I can get this open again. And I ordered 2 different sets. This is the first one that came. But this is one that has all the shanks right on from small to pretty good size, rounded. It's just a wonderful little set. Just got them today, so I'm going to try them out here after a while and see how they work. I'm using up my old little separate ones, and then I've got another one of I don't know how many hundreds of just the different size buffing wheels coming. So I just use them up so fast. Just thought I would let you know about that. Got them from Amazon. I don't get nothing for it. I mean, it's not advertising, just where I got them. So I'm going to shut her down, charge the battery up, and start doing it again. Alrighty? Okay. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, welcome back. The first video of Poor Man's Ivory, you saw me working with some pieces. Guess what? I ruined them all. So now I'm going to have to recut the pieces and start all over again. I did not, this was my first time working with this stuff, and I did not realize exactly how brittle it is. It works wonderfully, but it is very brittle, especially when you touch a drill bit to it. And I found out that you don't do that. So I have got to cut some new pieces and start all over again. So I'm not going to bore you with any of the cutting or any of that. I will start videoing again when I'm back to almost ready to put a design on them, put it that way. I think I went through most of the sanding and all that. So I just can't believe that I ruined all 3 pieces, but I surely did. So let me sign off for a bit, set everything up so I can cut some new pieces, and then we will get going with it. Okay, alrighty. Hey everyone, what I am going to try to do today is I am going to try to put 3mm gems, and they're green. I hope you can see them. They're awful small, but I'm going to try to put those in the earring sets of the poor ivory. And these are the new pieces that I made. I ruined all the other pieces trying to set gems, but this time I've made my own little setting tools. I don't know, if it's right or wrong, whatever, but I have a 3mm brand new drill bit, and this one here I believe is 1.5 millimeters or something like that. I go down first. Well, I spot it with a little one, make sure that I'm in the right place, and then I go down with this, and I use a magnifying glass to make sure that I get just below the surface with the edge. So it's just starting to do the 3mm hole, just barely. And then I go at the bottom of that and I go in with 1.5 millimeters, and I go with the depth, and that the back of the gem is pointed like this, so this point is what that 1.5 millimeters will let go into the piece. I hope I'm explaining this right. I probably should have drawn it out, but my artistic ability is not that good either. But I'm going to try to film it. I don't know if I can because I have to be so close to it, but I'm going to try to film, and if I goof up, then guess what? We'll have it on film, video. I'm still old school, filming it. So let me get everything set up and we'll see what we can do, okay? Okay. Okay, what I did to start it out, I have no idea if you can see it, but I started out with a 1/32 drill bit and just made a dent. Just cut a little dent in there. Mounted it in the vise. And now I'm going to go after it with a 3mm. And there goes my heater. It's cold here today. And go very slowly. Well, that actually is good. Okay, let's see if we can be that good on the next one. Well, I can see that. That's it. I hit that one right on the nose. Look at that. And I hope people will like them. All right. Well, excuse me. Let's get the camera up here. I don't know. I'm going to try to film gluing them. I don't know how that's going to work, but we'll give it a try, okay? Alrighty. Hang in there with me. I'll be right back. And remember, grab your cane, your hiking stick, your walking stick, whatever you use, and get out there because nature is beautiful.